Hi, this is Gary Maynard, and welcome to my review and demo of Profit Launcher. Let's get this started. Okay, we have Profit Launcher here, and this is to make big profits daily without having to pay for any recurring fees. Now, that means that you can do this for free. They're showing you how to do all of this for free and to make profit off affiliate commissions. You can make affiliate commissions without having to pay all this money to do it. There are a lot of free things you can use on the internet, and they're going to show you how to do that. I think they also show you, and we'll see inside the product here in just a little bit, because I'm going to take you to their control panel. But you're going to see that you can do it actually free, or there are some paid services you can use. You choose the way you want to do it. If you do it free, it's a little bit harder, but can be done for free, and they will show you how to do that. This is perfect for new and struggling affiliates. No tech skills required, no email or website necessary, step-by-step training, free with no risk. You can implement and make money right away. Templates are provided, and it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. These are pretty much going over the same things. Let's go over the funnel. Now, the front end of Profit Launcher. They're going to show you step-by-step how to make daily commissions, whether you are new to affiliate marketing or experienced yet not currently getting the results you want. There's no website, no email, no tech skills are needed. Simply follow the strategy and start earning commissions consistently. The best part about Profit Launcher is that you can do this with zero recurring fees. Means it doesn't cost you anything other than to buy this course here. Now, this is a $12.95 front-end product for Profit Launcher. Now, I checked, and usually you can try to exit off the page and they'll give you a discount. This one does not give you a discount, so this would be the price you pay if you decide to buy this. But if you decide to buy this, I've thrown in a bunch of other bonuses for you, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Profit Ranker, this is OTO 1. You want to outrank your competition, want to increase your traffic and sales, then Profit Ranker is the tool you need. Now, this one is going to be $37, and that's their one-time offer, the first one. The one-time offer, second one is Profit Abundance, and they teamed up with their team or friends at Team Alpha, and they're letting them give away an amazing product, the Profit Abundance, at an unbelievable price. And that is only $4.97, so that's actually a pretty good deal. After that, you have the Resale Rights, and that's $37. You can sell Profit Launcher as your own, and you keep 100% of the commissions on the whole funnel. After that, they have OTO 4, which is personal coaching. They're going to take you through 4 hours of one-on-one coaching for a price of $197. Again, there are no downsells on any of these. So you would have to pay this price if you want the 4 hours of personal coaching. And to me, that may be worth it. If you're really struggling or having a hard time, these guys can get you set straight and get you rocking on that. After that, they have their bonuses listed. Now, they have Instagram traffic explosion, newbie friendly, no website or email. And ClickBank Mastery is their bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is the ultimate TikTok hack. They're going to show you how to hack TikTok. Bonus 4 is the Double Dragon, a perfect 2-in-1 system for new affiliates to both grow their email list and make steady profits at the same time. And then bonus 5, CPA Underground Secret for big profits. Okay, after that we have my bonuses, and now I've loaded these up for you just to make this well worth your investment. I think Profit Launcher is a worthwhile product, and it can get you actually started making money online. If you follow their guidance step by step, you will make money online. But these are some things I threw in just to make it even better for you, and if you buy the front end product, you will get all these bonuses as well. So I have an extra bonus, Crazy Traffic Explosion. Next bonus is JVZoo Conversion Secrets. Now that's worth $147, but that's going to be thrown in to this as well. So for the $12.95, you're getting quite a deal. But then I've also thrown in a bonus tutorial, how to get 90% off your AdWords spend. So see, once you start making money from this free method, the way to scale it up is to invest that money and start making more money. And that will give you the ability to get those ads a lot cheaper. Bonus tutorial, this is bonus number 4, valued at $39. And this is Jono Armstrong's My Bing's ads course. And he's a rock star in this stuff. So if you follow his advice, you're going to go far. After that, I have bonus number 5. It's valued at $29. High profit for blog secrets. And after that, special bonus number 6, and it's valued at $19. Extra bonus tutorial, ultimate traffic mantra. Now, this is for setting up for list building for Reddit, forums, and discussion boards, LinkedIn, Kindle, email traffic, and JV partners. It's going to show you how to get traffic through all of those. And I keep adding them on bonus, valued at $22. How to write compelling headlines. Now, if you don't know, or if you haven't been in the selling part, if you don't know how to write compelling headlines, you're not going to get people to want to buy anything that you have to offer. So knowing this is key. After this is a Can't Stop Myself bonus number 8. Grow your profits fast with live video. And this is going to show you all the secrets you need to know to be successful in that avenue. After that, we have no more after this bonus number 9. Now you can make your videos more interactive. And this is with Tube Inferno. Flexible display features, use email opt-in forms. You can place ads and stuff in your videos. So this is kind of helpful if you're going to do any YouTube advertising or anything like that. It will help you to put it into your videos. Makes it much more compelling for people when they see that. Okay, just one more bonus, number 10. Bonus tutorial, and this is hot products for Checkout Maximixer. And I don't know if you guys caught that product on Warrior Plus. It was offered probably about a month ago. And this was selling pretty good. And this here is to help you with Checkout Maximixer. Hot products to sell on Checkout Maximixer. And Mama Can't Stop Me bonus number 11. That's a bonus tutorial. How to build a buy list or buyer's list for Checkout Maximixer. Now, this is another thing that helps you with Checkout Maximixer. So if you pick that up when they had it on Warrior Plus, then you are all good to go. But just in case you didn't, Mama took away the mouse bonus number 12. Checkout Maximixer. I'm throwing that in there as well. Now you're getting an insane bonus bundle here. There are 12 products on here, and Checkout Maximixer makes it well worth way more than what you're going to pay just for the front end product. And I'm throwing this all in for free if you click my link and purchase the product through my link. Now we're going to take you to the members area of Profit Launcher. This is where you're going to be, what you will get if you decide to purchase this. First, you have welcome from Salik and a welcome from Kieran. These are good guys. These guys are really putting out some good stuff, and take my advice. It'd be good to follow their lead because they're doing well. They have a case study in here, Mindset for Profit, setting up your YouTube account. They're going to walk you through setting up your YouTube account, your Warrior Plus, your JV Zoo, Screencast-O-Matic, and OBS Studio. They're going to teach you how to find a good offer. Now, finding an offer is one thing, but finding a good offer is key. You don't want to just be offering junk to your subscribers, and you will get your subscribers if you follow their plan. Get your affiliate link approved. Now, some affiliates do not like to, or vendors do not like to give out affiliate links to just any Joe Schmo. And if your name is Joe, I'm sorry, but just saying, they want to know that you're serious, and they're going to show you how to get your link approved through most of these vendors so that you will be able to offer the products out off Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, ClickBank, things like that. Staying organized. Now, staying organized is key. There's so many moving parts if you're doing affiliate marketing that you've got to get tuned in together. And if you don't get it tuned in and working all as one, you might as well not even do it, because if you click one thing, it needs to take you to the next, to the next, to the next, and it all works like clockwork. They're going to show you how to organize that so that you don't miss a step. After that, they have the Get Demo video, upload into YouTube, create a thumbnail, review access, Google Slides. Now, this is the free method right here. They're going to take you through both methods. One is to do it the free way, and this is using Google Slides, part 1, 2, and 3, your bonus and bonus pages. And then this is the paid way. Well, it's not really the paid way. You have to pay for Commission Gorilla, which is a very good app, and I do recommend it. I think a lot of affiliates use it. So check it out and see if it's what you want, but it makes it a lot easier for you and saves you a lot of time. Excuse me. So this is setting up your account, creating your bonuses, uploading bonuses, and structuring your review video. Then evergreen videos, they get into those, planning your video, uploading your evergreen video, thumbnails, and 5 times your commission. They have support, they have upgrades, and they have bonuses. And if you click on bonuses, these are going to show up, and you can download them straight from here inside the members area. I think this is a good product. And then up here, actually, we look at Profit Ranker. This is the first OTO. Now, this was $37. They don't have that listed on here. It just says add to cart, but this was $37. So if you forgot to get the one-time offers at the first part through the funnel, then you can actually get them here as well. And that is Profit Ranker. This one is Profit Abundance. Now, this is the one that's only $4.97, and it's 40 secret sources that unlock free traffic from 560 million buyers. Now, that's only $4.97. I think it's a screaming deal. You guys determine that on your own, but I believe I would highly recommend getting it. And then after that, we have the reseller rights. Now, if you want to have Profit Launcher and sell it as your own, you can do that if you buy the resale rights. And I think it's $37 for that. So that's actually a pretty good deal. So you can have your own product to sell right away. After that, they have the coaching, and this is the Profit Launcher Mastery. And this is where they're going to one-on-one you for 4 hours to teach you everything you need to know and answer any questions that you may have. So this will get you up and running a lot quicker. So that's something else for you to decide. But if you forget this or decide not to do it during the funnel when you first go through, which once you get to the product, you can actually choose to purchase this at this point. Other than that, that is pretty much the lowdown on Profit Launcher. I would highly recommend it. These guys are rocking the world right now, and I think it's a good product to have. But that is for you to decide. I wish you good luck on your journey, and have a good day. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you more of these fantastic review videos. Thank you.